what is up, peeps? I'm Aleck and we're here today at the Clark Global City, Pampanga for the first ever and much awaited Hiraya Music Fest and Hot Air Balloon. And tara, samahan niyo ako for today's adventure and fun activities. Let's go!
Kapag sinabi mo kasing Hiraya, maraming nakaka-relate lang na yung mga trentahin, quarantine na pwede nating ikwento yung ating nakaraan. Kapag sinabi mo Hiraya Manawari, ito yung mga napapanood natin nung kabataan. So kapag kinuwento mo yun sa bata, ito yung mga dating nilalaro lang natin, napapanood lang natin sa TV na ngayon, abot kamay natin, makikita ang iba't ibang kulay ng mga balloons. At ito yung pinagsama ng mga pangarap.
Gusto rin nating pagsamasamahin yung mga talent and skills ng mga balloonists, ng mga artists, mga paramotor, mga car drifters. So yan. So it's a showcase of a talent, multi-talent na mga Pilipino.
This is the biggest hot air balloon right now in the Philippines. Kaya let's go! Dito lang yan sa Hiraya. Let's go! We're here today at the largest hot air balloon in Philippines right now. Woo! Sobrang saya ng feeling and nakakalula pero yeah, it's actually fun. It's my first time actually riding on a hot air balloon and this is the biggest hot air balloon right now in the Philippines. Kaya sobrang sulit.
At 57, no? Mag-57 ako this year. First time. Gusto ko umulit.
It's very exciting kasi marami kami makikita. It's for all ages. So mag-e-enjoy yung mga bata hanggang matanda.
Very exhilarating, no? Fear of heights, you have to conquer it. So, no, riding it will help you conquer that fear.
Right now, we're here at the racing spot and andito tayo ngayon sa drift show ng Hiraya Music Fest and mamaya makikita natin ang mga drifts and stunts nila. Let's see ano experience ng drifting, di ba? Let's go! Try natin! And we're here at the stage setup of the Hiraya Music Fest kung saan dito magpo-perform ang 4 of Spades, Juan Carlos, Rob Daniel, Dionella, and a lot of OPM and local artists. Kaya, ready na ba kayo makikanta, makisayaw, at makitalon?
Expect to see our fun performances, solid fun performances, and people having fun as well and enjoying their musics.
Mag-connect ang mga tao dahil sa music. Kasi gusto ko talaga ma-experience yung feeling na mag-connect ako with strangers and not just with my friends.
So, sobrang nakaka-enjoy talaga. Sulit yung aming binayad para sa ticket.
Hi CLTV 36 and RW 95.1 FM.
Hi CLTV 36, RW 95.1 FM. Binabati ko ang CLTV 36 and RW 95.1 FM.
See you, Kabalen!
See you, Kabalen! See you, Kabalen!
This is the Hiraya Music Fest and Hot Air Balloon 2026, and this is Aleck. Hope you guys enjoyed the day. See you next time. Let's go!